I called you here today because you're the best buys Nails has. KRB is a leader in rebar fabrication equipment. They engineer, manufacture, and service the rebar cutting and bending machines all over the world. Your job, if you wish to accept it, is to go to KRB Manufacturing, blend in, and find out what's so cool about manufacturing. Okay, here's the plan. I'm in.
I'm in.
How much money?
What makes your rebar shear so special and sets you apart from your competition?
Well, I think it's a couple of things, actually. We have our shear line system is really world renowned. It's built to last. We have heavy side plate construction. We slot the frame so the rollers can slide in and out for easy serviceability. We step the shafts on that. We harden the rollers, so we take special detail to a lot of things that wear on the machine.
What do you do here every day?
I'm a machinist where I bore, drill, and mill out the profile parts.
What do you do on like a daily basis here?
I love machines, panels, I do fabrication. It's a great feeling knowing what I'm doing is bringing stuff to life that's going to last a long time.
So last question we have here today is what other signature products do you have?
We have an automatic bender that can bend circles, squares, rectangles, stars, basically anything you can really think of. And what basically allows us to do that is we actually use probably the only manufacturer out there that will use rotary encoders to be able to manipulate the shape, be able to ease of access or ease of programming to be able to do what you need to do.
Well, thanks for having us inspect your plant today.
Appreciate you guys coming in. Good to see you.
Hey Scott, who are those guys?
They're from CCI.
CCI just called and said our inspection's next week.
See ya!